Docker error, could not find an available, non-overlapping IPv4 address pool among the defaults to assign to the network. I have a directory actmirror scraper composed with the following structure. I'm trying to run the following dockercompose.yml. Where the Docker file for Tor is. That for proxy is. Where config consists of the two lines. And the Docker file for scraper is. Where requirements text contains the single line requests. Finally, the program unum.py is designed to simply test whether changing the IP address using Tor is working. The Docker Compose built successfully, but if I try Docker Compose up, I get the following error message. I tried searching for help on this error message, but couldn't find any. What is causing this error?
Following Peter Hauge's comment, upon running Docker Network ls I saw, among other lines, the following. The line with name and driver as both host seems to be what he is referring to with networks already created on your host. So, following this URL, I ran the command. Now Docker Compose up works, although unum.py produces an error.
I've seen it suggested Docker may be at its maximum of created networks. The command docker network prune can be used to remove all networks not used by at least one container. My issue ended up being, as Robert commented about, an issue with OpenFPN service. OpenFPN stop solved the problem.
I ran into this problem because I had OpenFPN running. As soon as I killed OpenFPN, Docker Compose up fired right up, and the error disappeared.
I ran in this problem with OpenFPN working as well, and I found a solution where you should not stop/start OpenFPN server. Idea that you should specify what exactly subnet you want to use. In dockercompose.ym write. That's it. Now, default network will be used, and if your VPN did not assign you something from 172.16.57.subnet, you're fine.
not to be sorry.